and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1. We'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2. We'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3. Learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Attention business owners and marketers. Are you tired of feeling burnt out and watching your financial goals slip away? Picture a life where you overcome challenges and boost your earnings to new heights. No, you are not dreaming. We're excited to share a fantastic opportunity that could lead to incredible financial success for you. Say goodbye to impulsive spending and knee-jerk reactions. Our top-notch, trending PLR product isn't just a product, it's your secret shortcut to achieving massive wealth. You absolutely need no skill, no experience, no update, no extra investment, it's ultimately newbie-friendly. Turn your dreams into dollars, unleash unparalleled earning potential with this extraordinary product. Introducing Stress Less to Achieve More with PLR. Dive into Stress Less to Achieve More, a comprehensive training guide that unlocks powerful tactics and techniques for effortlessly conquering life's challenges. Discover the secrets to achieving more with every small step you take. Put an end to your money-making struggles, step into the realm of success with this potent money-making marvel. Don't just strive, thrive. The best thing about this product is that it belongs from a niche that is super trendy and evergreen, so you'll never run out on making money with this amazing product. This amazing guide will cover certain topics like: how significant is managing stress for personal and professional success? Recognizing different types of stress and their impact. The role of physical activity in stress management. Understanding the connection between sleep and stress. Foods that support stress management. Balancing technology use for stress reduction. To help you get started, you can check out our comprehensive, up-to-date, professionally researched product, Stress Less to Achieve More with PLR. Module 1, Professionally Written Training Guide. Module 2, Professional Graphics. Module 3, Animated Banners. Module 4, High Converting Sales Copy. Module 5, Mini Sites. Module 6, Customer Sales Video. Module 7, Legal Pages. Module 8, Social Media Graphics. Module 9, PDF Graphics. Module 10, Swipe Emails. Module 11, Other Selling Materials like a mind map, cheat sheet, and top resource report. In addition, we are also offering you incredible and complete exclusive bonuses. Instant profit from PLR. Set up PLR product, step-by-step tutorial. PLR product rebranding. Start cashing in today, and watch the money roll in for months on end. So, get started today. Buy this product. Put your name on it. Sell and keep 100% of the profits. Ready to make your business a game changer and send your profits soaring? Act now.